Before you post a single video, you only get one chance to make a first impression. And on YouTube, that happens in seconds. Someone clicks your channel, scrolls once, and decides, is this creator legit or just starting out? This is day 4 of the Creator Breakthrough series. Welcome back. 10 minutes a day to build your channel from the ground up. If you're watching this later, every video is numbered and organized in a playlist, so you can start from day 1 and move step by step through the journey. Today, I'll show you how to make your channel look professional before you ever post your first video. So if that sounds good to you, stick around. First up, why does this matter? Your banner, about section, layout, and profile icon are your digital storefront. And for those of you that are new to YouTube, your banner is the horizontal bar across the top of your channel. Your about section is the bit of preview text that you can see next to your profile icon that when clicked on opens up to a description box stating why you do what you do with your channel. Your profile icon is the circle photo, and your layout is how you organize your videos to show up on your channel's homepage. When they all look intentional, viewers assume your content is intentional too. I see it every time I work with new creators. The moment their channel looks like something they're proud of, their confidence skyrockets. They record with more energy, they speak with more clarity, and that confidence draws in the audience, not just through design, but through the belief behind it. That's the power of presentation. It doesn't just make you look legit, it helps you feel ready to create like a professional. Let's set yours up step by step now. I'll walk you through 5 steps to make your channel visually credible, even if you're brand new. Number 1 is design a banner that speaks. Your channel banner is the very first thing people see when they land on your page. Think of it like your storefront sign. It should instantly tell them what you do, who it's for, and why they should care. In one quick glance, your banner should communicate your niche, your promise, and your personality. I know it seems like a lot, but you can do this. How do you do this? Well, you go to canva.com and in the search bar, type in YouTube banner template. You can use the free version of Canva. It will load up a ton of banner templates for you. And the best ones are clearly showing a main bar through the middle section. And the reason this is so important is because this banner will be showing up differently on different gadgets. Like on YouTube TV, you're gonna see more of the banner. On mobile, you're gonna see less. So if you design in that little rectangle and make sure you get all the important elements in that rectangle, it will show up clearly on mobile. So what should you include in your banner? I say there's 3 main elements. Number 1, you wanna do clear value proposition. So what's your channel is all about. In one short phrase, communicate the transformation, topic, or benefit viewers will get from your channel. For example, healthy habits for busy moms. That's it. Something simple and have it on the banner. The other thing you want to do is number 2, posting promise or schedule. So when or what you upload and to your channel. And this sets expectations and builds consistency. So for example, underneath your tagline, you might say new videos every Tuesday and Friday so that your audience knows when you post your videos. And thirdly, the third thing you should include on your banner is personal or brand identifier. So who is it from? It could be your name, it could be your logo, it could be your photo, something that's recognizable so viewers know immediately to connect your face or brand to the content below. Someone can instantly tell what you do and who it's for. Your banner's working. People don't click subscribe for mystery, they click for clarity, and that inspires trust. And here's a bonus tip for you. Go research what others in your niche are doing with their banners. You may notice many don't even have one. Awesome, you're going to be one step ahead of them. Or maybe you find one that you love, model it in your own style. Get inspiration from channels that you admire, so you don't have to start from scratch. Also, with the Canva templates, you can modify color, fonts, pictures, and taglines to customize it for your channel as well and keep it with your channel branding. How do you technically access your banner on YouTube? Well, there's 2 ways. Either in YouTube Studio, go to the sidebar on the left and click Customization, then Profile tab. Or if you're already on your YouTube channel's homepage, you can click Customize near your profile name and go to Profile tab as well. And there you will see banner option. Upload your JPEG or PNG file there, and then make sure all the important stuff fits within that smallest rectangle. Otherwise, it will be cut off on mobile. Okay, let's move on to step number 2. Optimize your profile picture. Your profile picture, that small circular image that follows you everywhere, is more powerful than most creators realize. It's your visual signature, your trust icon. It tells people, this is me, this is my brand, you can trust what I create. So where do you update this? It's all in the same place. Go to your channel, select customize, and change your picture. Some tips for this: use a close-up headshot Eyes visible, background clean. Create contrast here so you pop forward. If you are wearing black clothes, make the background a brighter, lighter color. If you are wearing bright clothes, make the background a darker color. Create contrast between the foreground and the background. Smile or project confidence because the icons shrink very small. And I want you to look at the camera, not away. Make eye contact with your audience. That builds trust. And then they can also recognize you easier because they can actually see your face. Whereas if you have a side profile, they can't necessarily recognize you. And if you are using a logo, you want to avoid cluttered logos. So keep it simple because remember, it is a tiny little circle. And also remember that it is a circle, not a square. So if you have a logo already that's a square or rectangular shape, you may need to make some adjustments prior to uploading it into that tiny circle. Okay, and then the last thing you want to do is test your profile icon at 100 pixels. If it's still clear, it works. Before they remember your name, they'll remember your face, and that's why that profile icon is so important. Now, step number 3 is to write your about section. Is your written first impression. It's where you tell both your viewer and YouTube algorithm exactly what you're about. Think of it like a short welcome message. Clear, confident, and focused on the transformation your channel delivers. First, you want to do the who you help and what you teach. So start with one strong sentence that instantly tells visitors what your channel is about and who it's for. For example, I help new creators and coaches build profitable personal brands using YouTube. Then below that, you want to list the transformation or the value. So explain what viewers will gain from watching your content. Skills, results, or mindset shifts. For example, learn how to grow your audience, monetize authentically, and build a business that gives you freedom. That helps them understand what they will get on your channel. Then below that, you want your content focus or topics. So list 3 to 5 main topics or keywords naturally to help YouTube categorize your channel. For example, you'll find videos on YouTube growth, content strategy, branding, and online business systems. So much SEO in there, right? And then below that, you're going to want to have some sort of credibility or story. And this is optional, but it's powerful. One line about your background, your results, or your experience to build trust with your audience. For example, after growing my own channel to 50,000 subscribers plus and building a 6-figure business within a year, I now teach others to do the same. And then right below that is the most important part is the call to action. End with a simple invitation that moves them deeper into your ecosystem. For example, you could say subscribe to start your YouTube journey and join my Creator Boost tribe for free support and challenges. Pro tip, you want to keep it skimmable. So 2 to 3 short paragraphs. Use keywords naturally and lead with clarity over fluff. If it feels personal, valuable, and professional, you're done. When someone's able to read your about section and thinks, that's me, you've already earned their trust. You can access your about section in the same customization location as well as your banner and your profile icon. Lastly, step number 4 is to organize your channel layout. So your homepage layout is what visitors will see when they first come to your channel's homepage. Think of it like your storefront window. It should guide people through your best videos, not just show a random list of uploads. A clear layout turns your channel from a collection of content into a guided experience. So how do you do this? Well, on desktop, you go to Customize, Channel, and then Home tab. Add sections and order them in a way that makes sense. For example, you can add a channel trailer first, a video about your channel's purpose and goals, or if you don't have that, you could just place a placeholder video in there for now that best describes your channel. And this video will play automatically for people who are not subscribed to your channel when they arrive at your channel homepage. And then below that, you could choose something like a For You videos. And this is where YouTube determines what videos to show here based on your viewers' watch history. And below that, you could put a playlist, which encourages binge watching. And that's all you need to do. And now you have officially laid out your channel's homepage. If you don't have any videos yet, don't worry about it. You can add placeholder playlists like Coming Soon, Weight Loss for Beginners. Your layout should feel organized and not empty. Structure isn't about perfection, it's about how you silently say, you can trust me to guide you. And lastly, step number 5 is to add links and contact info. Super important. Add those links and your email right under the banner. That's how people connect with you. It's where your brands, collaboration, or even fans reach out to connect with you. Make it easy for them to find you because connection creates opportunity. So how do you do this? You go to Studio, Customization, Profile, and you scroll all the way down until you see links. Add up to 5 links: Instagram, website, newsletter, free resource, etc. Whatever you have right now, you can place in those links. If you're missing some things, you can build it on later. Don't worry about it, but just add at least one link so someone can get in contact with you. Choose one primary link to display under your banner and next to your profile icon. Whatever link is at the top of the list will be displayed there. So you can easily rearrange by clicking and dragging on the thing that looks like an equal sign and pull them in an order that you prefer. So now, if someone wants to reach you, they shouldn't have to hunt, but can find things easily. So when your links look intentional, you look ready for opportunity. I've watched creators transform overnight, not from new content, but from new presentation. The moment their channel looked like it mattered, they started treating it like it mattered. That energy shift from trying to now owning it is what your audience feels before you even speak. So when your digital home reflects your purpose, you stop apologizing for being new and start showing up like a pro. Now, some people might say, no one cares about your banner and anything on your homepage, but I say you do. Your confidence does. The more effort you put into your channel's look, the more professional you feel. It leaves an impact on you, which then translates to your viewers through your videos, through the experience you bring to your videos. I've had clients with under 100 subscribers refresh their banner, about, and layout, and the change was instant. When you take presentation seriously, your viewers start taking you seriously. People don't subscribe to potential. They subscribe when you look like you're already in motion and serious about sticking around. So your action steps for today: update your banner, about section, profile picture, and layout for your homepage. Then comment day 4 done in the comments below and drop a link so we can look at it. Or post it in the Creator Boost tribe and get feedback there as well, so we can celebrate with you there. And if you aren't subscribed yet, do so right now so you don't miss any videos from this Creator Breakthrough series. And hit the bell so you don't miss tomorrow's day 5, where we'll set up your filming space and tools without breaking the bank. When your channel looks ready for growth, your mind follows. And that's when YouTube stops being a dream and starts becoming your brand. Thanks so much. See you tomorrow for day 5. Bye for now.